Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about tax slabs and tax credits in Ireland. This is a complex topic, but I'm going to try to break it down in a way that's easy to understand. Generally, there are three types of taxes that one has to pay when earning in Ireland. First is income tax. You pay this on your earnings with different rates depending on how much you make. Then there's PRSI and USC. These are social contributions for things like healthcare and pensions. Starting with the income tax. The first thing you need to understand about tax in Ireland is that there are different tax rates for different levels of income. These tax rates are grouped into tax slabs. The current tax slabs for Ireland are as follows. Standard rate band, this is the most common tax band, and it applies to income between 0 and 42,000 euros. The tax rate for the SRB is 20%. Higher rate band. This tax band applies to income above 42,000 euros. The tax rate for the HRB is 40%. If you're thinking that there are going to be lots of money going to the government, then wait till tax credit section, where we will see how to avail some money back. Universal social charge. If you earn more than your 13,000 per year, then you need to make a contribution to the USC to fund public services. Your income level determines how big that contribution is, ranging from 0.5% to 8%. Pay related social insurance. If you earn more than EUR 352 a week, then you must make PRSI contributions to help fund Ireland's social welfare programs. The amount you pay depends on your income and line of work. This is around 4% of your income. Now coming to the main section, tax credits, we all want to save some money. So here is the important part. In addition to tax slabs, there are also a number of tax credits that can reduce your tax liability. Tax credits are deductions from your income tax that can be claimed by people who meet certain criteria. Extra credits for your situation, age, dependents, medical expenses, and even caring for someone at home can qualify you for additional credits. Everyone gets a base credit just for being a resident. You get a personal tax credit. Here are some of the tax credits that I am entitled to. If you're renting a home, you're eligible for 750 euros. You can have a look at my video about the process of claiming this credit. It should be popping up somewhere on the screen at this instant. Then there is a personal tax credit and an employee tax credit of 1875 euros each. If your employer pays for your insurance, then you're entitled to an additional 200 euros, and that's simply because you have paid taxes on your insurance, and this is a part of that back. In addition to this, there are some more tax credits which you may be entitled for. If you don't register your employment on revenue.ie, you'll be taxed at the highest bracket. When you start your first job, you should notify revenue as soon as possible, or you may have to pay emergency tax. To do this, you need to register for My Account. Once registered for My Account, you can register your job by clicking Add Job or Pension Details under the Pay Services tab. Now let's start calculating taxes. Please note that there will be a difference of a couple of hundred euros from this calculation, as the tax credits, pension contributions, along other factors affect the total amount. Let's assume John is working in an MNC and has an annual package of 42,000 euros. After including the personal and employer tax credits, he has to pay the income tax of 4,650 euros, universal social charge of 985 euros, and PRSI of 1,690 euros. Overall, he pays 7,325 euros in taxes for the whole year, which is 17% of his annual salary. If John earns 75,000 euros in a year, he would end up paying 31% of his salary in taxes. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this useful, then do share this with your friends, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more of these.